Jamie and I'm the chef behind Cure Vegan. Today I have a delicious and healthy alternative for you. We're going to be making breakfast empanadas. Vegan egg, bacon, potato, and cheese empanadas. Really excited about this. They're going to be so delicious, and I'm going to share a few tips and tricks with you along the way. So when you're ready, let's go ahead and get started. The first thing we need to make is our potatoes. They're going to take the longest to cook, so they need to get in the oven. We also have some vegan sweet earth bacon here and just egg. If you haven't tried this vegan egg, guys, oh my gosh, you definitely need to. You can find it at Whole Foods here in Houston. I can also find it at Kroger. So to start on our potatoes, I just went ahead and cut them into small pieces. We're going to season our potatoes with a tablespoon of a high smoke point oil, some salt and pepper, some cumin, and some sazon. Okay, my oven is preheated to 400 degrees for the potatoes. I'm going to cook them for about 20 to 30 minutes. Let's go ahead and take a peek and see what it looks like. Ooh. Alright, while our pan is still hot from frying our vegan bacon, we're going to go ahead and add in some diced red onion. So we're starting just by browning our onions a little bit. The other ingredients we're going to add to our vegan just egg: diced red bell pepper, some diced jalapeno, some minced fresh garlic, some fresh cilantro, Himalayan pink sea salt, black pepper, and then kala namak. This is a sulfur-based salt, so it adds an eggy flavor to anything you add it to. We're gonna add in our garlic at this point, our salt, pepper, and that kala namak as well. Now you're gonna cook this just like you would regular eggs, so I'm gonna use a spatula to kind of just scrape the bottom. Alright, so our eggs are just about done. I went ahead and turned the burner off. Today, to save time, I'm just going to use pre-made pie crust. I'm going to press my Tupperware onto the pie crust and just kind of pull the pie crust away from the Tupperware so I can have that nice circular shape. To start assembling our empanadas, we're going to start by adding some of our cooked vegan just egg, some of our potatoes. We're going to add some of our bacon, just rip it up and place it in there. Sprinkle a little Daiya on top, and then let's go ahead and close our empanada here. I'm going to kind of just force my ingredients down and pull one side of the dough on top of the other. Stretch it so that it fits. I'm going to use a fork to seal my empanada dough, so just go around the edges. Pulled my empanadas out of the oven. They look so good. I can see the layers of that vegan egg, the potato, the vegan bacon and cheese. I'm so ready to dive in. So I want to say thank you so much for coming and watching another one of my cooking videos. If you liked it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. For the full recipe, visit www.curevegan.com, and you can find a bunch of other yummy vegan recipes there as well. Thank you guys so much, and have a great rest of your day.